Are you looking for the best professional drones? In this video we will look at some of the best professional drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Mavic 2 Professional Drone. Best professional drone with camera and GPS. In addition to including a well-regarded Hasselblad camera and a motor that can easily reach speeds up to 48 miles per hour. Like most DJI drones, the DJI Mavic Pro is of exceptional quality, with an astounding feature set that includes the renowned Hasselblad L1D20C camera that can capture 4K HDR video and comes with a stability-enhancing gimbal. We appreciated the high-grade motor that can easily reach speeds of up to 48 miles per hour, even in windy conditions, and that this drone is outfitted with an advanced obstacle detection system. We also liked that the included lithium battery allows for more than 30 minutes of flight time per charge. This Mavic 2 Zoom drone is certainly on the expensive side, likely due to the stellar brand name recognition and the suite of advanced features and high-quality components. Additionally, this is a powerful drone and, as such, it must be registered with the Federal Aviation Administration before use. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Parrot Professional Drone. One of the best drones for photography and video, thanks to the inclusion of a camera that supports H.264 4K videos at a snappy 60 fps or H.265 4K at 30 fps. Both with a 100 Mbps bitrate. The DJI Phantom 4 Parrot is a great option for professional video shooters, as this model includes a 1-inch 20MP camera for stills that also supports 60 fps H.264 4K videos with 100 Mbps bitrate. We loved that this drone ships with a suite of useful accessories, including a hard shell case and plenty of replacement rotors. We also liked that the lithium-ion battery included with this model can last around 30 minutes before needing a recharge. Like many DJI drones, this model is on the expensive side, though you get a whole lot of bells and whistles with your purchase. Also, this drone does feature an advanced multi-directional obstacle detection system, but the motor is simply too powerful to be used indoors. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2 Professional Drone. High-quality drone with an advanced feature set that includes a 4K camera complete with a 360-degree rotating gimbal and a durable exterior that is designed to withstand extreme temperatures. The DJI Inspire 2 Professional Drone boasts a best-in-class design that is built to withstand extreme temperatures, as cold as -4 Fahrenheit and 104 Fahrenheit. We loved the relatively simple operation process here, which includes push-button takeoff and return functionalities. We also appreciated that this drone ships with a high-quality 4K camera embedded in a 360-degree rotating gimbal, offering both accuracy and stability as you shoot videos or take still photos. This is an extremely expensive drone, likely due to the advanced and weather-resistant components on offer. Additionally, there is no analog remote included with the purchase, though it can easily be controlled via a smartphone app. Number 4. DJI Spark Professional Drone. Incredibly portable and compact form factor, weighing just over 2 pounds. With an advanced feature set that includes an intuitively designed analog remote and a 2-axis stabilized gimbal camera. The DJI Spark Professional Drone is the perfect choice for those who want an easy-to-use option that won't take up a lot of room when not in use. This drone is designed to be as compact as portable as possible, weighing just over 2 pounds and offering a folding form factor. We loved the powerful motor here, which reaches a top speed of 31 miles per hour, and the integrated advanced obstacle detection system. We also admired the integrated 2-axis stabilized gimbal camera, which is great for both still photography and for shooting live video. The battery life here is on the lower end, allowing for a maximum of 16 minutes of use per charge. Additionally, this drone must be registered with the FAR. Despite its small stature, it's not one of the biggest drones, but it'll do in a pinch. Number 5. Parrot Bebop 2 Professional Drone. Budget-friendly drone with a robust feature set that includes a light and compact form factor, weighing just 7 ounces, and a bright LED on the rear of the unit for increased visibility in low light conditions. The Parrot Bebop 2 is the best cheap drone for photography, as it features an enhanced 14-megapixel fisheye lens that offers 1080p video recording and robust image capture capabilities. We appreciated this drone's incredibly light and compact form factor, weighing just 7 ounces. Making it easy to stow away when not in use. We also like the ultra-bright LED on the back of the unit itself, offering increased visibility in low-light scenarios. Though compact, this drone still requires registration with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAR, so consider that before making a purchase. Also, this drone does not include a dedicated analog remote, though it does integrate nicely with a smartphone app and can be used with third-party remotes.